Hey everyone, welcome to Gray Man Prepping. This is Wednesday and I believe this is day 59 of exercising. Alright, so I'm going to get on this here real quick, but then afterwards at the end we're going to have a long chat about several things. So stick around for the end. And I will be doing the high speed for the exercising so you don't have to watch it very long. But you can watch the little clock back over there and see the second hand going real fast, so you can see that I'm actually exercising for that length of time. All right, let's get at it. Alright, so I did about 45 minutes or so on the Gazelle, 330 calories. Let's get to the notes and stuff. Alright, so your prep for today, butchering knives. If you're going to be raising your own meat and stuff, you're going to have a good set of butchering knives to do it properly and not waste up any of the meat. So that's your prep for today there. Also, coming up on your prep for today, on the 1st, I'll be doing the actual your prep for today videos like I was doing last year, and get those started back up again here. Alright, also coming up here, tomorrow night is the midnight ride. The countdown begins at 5 minutes to midnight Thursday night. Friday on Camp Patton Family Compound, we have garden essentials, plans, budgets, and seeds. Talk about all the things you need to do to either continue, start, or expand a garden. Saturday, back here on Gray Man Prepping for Survival Saturday, is deal with your vices now. All right. You don't want, if there are certain vices you just don't want to give up, such as coffee, you better deal with it now, as far as getting your supplies for those vices. On Monday on Camp Patton Family Compounds, it's Jams and Jellies with Tammy of Rebel Canners and Mark of Chef Tech. Tuesday, back here on Gray Man Prepping for Tactical Tuesday, we're talking disaster laundry and clothes maintenance. And that takes us through for a week. Just a quick rundown of the following week: Midnight Ride, Hydroponics on Friday, Saws for Thriving and SHTF on Saturday, cold pack versus hard pack on Monday. The biggest lies preppers are being told on Tuesday, and back again to the midnight ride. All right, the weather right now is being really weird. We've had hot days, and then with cold nights, get a couple days of snow and rain, and then sunshine, and back to freezing temperatures, and it's all over the map. It's like Uncle Al of Die Bullfrog 79 says we're having washing machine weather. Doesn't know which way to go. So it's not until, let's see, January, February, yeah, March 22nd, I believe, is the first day of spring. It might be the 21st. I have to double check on that. So spring's not here yet. It's still wintertime, guys. And those in the northern climates, generally winter runs a little bit longer. So we'll see what happens. There are parts of the world which are having extreme cold instead of normal cold, and others are having warm temperature records instead of the normal colds they're getting. I believe Kalen Strain said that they had 78 degrees for the highs, tied the record for Des Moines, and then that night the cold was in the 20s. So big range swing there on temperatures, and that's not normal. Right now there's a big fire burning down in Texas. It's crossed over into Oklahoma, up near the Panhandle. I mean, it's like hundreds of thousands of acres, so if you're in that area, thoughts are with you. If you're not in the area, you may want to look it up and check what's going on, and send out some prayers for those people affected by those huge fires. All right, gardening. We're talking about gardening on Friday, but your own garden right now, indoor garden, whether you're doing hydroponics, semi-hydroponics, doing 5-gallon buckets indoors or larger buckets, yeah, plant something, grow something. One of the things you can do is with 5-gallon buckets, if you start tomatoes in 5-gallon buckets now, especially for the northern areas, that when the last frost comes around and is gone, you can take those 5-gallon buckets of tomatoes, they'll be fairly tall, plant them outside. You can be months ahead of everybody else in growing tomatoes. All right, those are just one idea there. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, plant an indoor garden, and try to make sure you have plenty of prep supplies in your pantry. Well, why? Well, this is why.